What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online with GTA 5 videos. And if you don't know what GTA is, it's Grand Theft Auto, okay? But before I show you how you can start making money online with GTA 5 videos, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you're not already a subscriber, because I'm coming out with daily content teaching you how to create a life full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. All right. So if you want to know all about making money online, passive income, I'm going to come out with some different kind of things. So, if you want that kind of content, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. Okay, guys, because you don't want to miss anything, and show those support. And throughout this video, at any time, if I give you some kind of value, something that helps you get closer to where you want to get to, make sure you like this video, and comment below, some positive comments only. And I'm going to do a contest on this video. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and comment below something positive, I'll enter in a drawing to win $100. Okay, so go ahead and do that right now. Do it. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the content, guys. All right, so Grand Theft Auto videos. So I know some of you might be thinking, no, I'm not going to steal somebody else's videos. I'm not going to go out there and download computations of a Grand Theft Auto 5 gameplay or whatnot. No, I'm going to use the old school way. If you don't know much about YouTube is a platform where you can post content, right? You can post content for different audiences, and with these audiences, once you grow subscribers, grow to up to 1,000 subscribers, and if they like your content, you will begin to eventually, after 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on YouTube, you can monetize your channel. Okay, so after that, people can post ads before your videos, and you can make money off of those ads based on how many viewers you get to your videos, right? So with this method, making money online with GTA 5 videos, you can do the same thing. If you're already an avid Grand Theft Auto video gamer, you're already doing it every day, why not go ahead and start making money with it? I mean, it doesn't have to be Grand Theft Auto. It can be any kind of video game, Fortnite, any kind of video game. Okay, so let me show you an example. Okay, so I went in here. I'll just show you how I did it from scratch. So you go to youtube.com, just in case you're not familiar with YouTube. And don't forget, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. It'll be in the right hand corner. You can click my branding image or go down and click subscribe, the regular YouTube subscribe button. Okay, so I just did GTA 5. So Grand Theft Auto 5 on YouTube search, and you can just scroll down here and see videos for Grand Theft Auto 5, and just look at the people who are ranking on the first page on YouTube. This guy Jelly, he has 11.3 million subscribers. It's crazy. 2.9 million views 1 month ago. And so we're gonna look at him later on in detail. This guy is Zuni, the Grand Theft Auto 5 movie, and you can just scroll down and you can see that most of this is a 100% completion full game walkthrough of Grand Theft Auto by Thirsty Hyena. 251,000 subscribers with 3.8 million views. This video is going kind of viral, because it has more views than it has subscribers. So when you see videos like this, it's a good sign or something that you can model after yourself, right? You can take this content and say, hey, I'm doing this already. I can do the same thing and post it on YouTube and get paid for that, right? You can get money from that as long as you get that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on YouTube. You can start monetizing your channel and be getting bank with this. All right. So we have Jelly, we have Uzini. Sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong if you see this video. Destruction Nation, Typical Gamer, Thirsty Hyena. Look at this. Mahidi Nuraya, look, 378 subscribers with 360,000 views. This is crazy. GTA 5, Kill the Jurors Mission, fast. Like, look, this is like someone who's taking what they're already doing and making money online with it. Okay, like let's click on his video. If you click on his video, you can watch it and see what he's doing, right? And you can kind of model after that. And then let's go to his description. Okay, and he has some browse games, browse all gaming. And I'm pretty sure if you click this link, it takes you to this is Grand Theft Auto 5 gaming channel. So you can just go ahead and view more games. So what he could do actually in this on his channel is, if he has some kind of content, like let's say he uses a wireless mouse or a gaming mouse and a gaming keyboard to play Grand Theft Auto or whatever equipment he's using, he can post his affiliate links in his description. And then when someone comes in his description, they can purchase him off. They can purchase that product from him, and he earns a commission from that. Okay, that's another way where you can make money online just doing what you regularly do with Grand Theft Auto videos, right? You can make the YouTube ad revenue, but you can also be an affiliate marketer for particular products that you're already using and advertising that to your audience. Okay. Look at all of these comments, guys. This guy is doing really good, and he doesn't even have any video tags. He's basically just ranking the GTA V with, this one name. So that's what I'm, trying to show you guys. You can do the same thing today. All right. Go ahead. If you like this content is giving you some good, valuable content, go ahead and like this video and comment below. All right. But let's go to the Jelly guy. This guy, because as you can see, he's ranking, one for a lot of GTA 5 videos. He's 1, 2. This is the first page. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4. Like, that is amazing, right? So what is he doing? If you go and look at his channel, he's basically, all he's doing is posting, he's uploading his gaming videos, and sometimes he vlogs too, but most of his content is on his gaming, what he does with gaming. So you can just see all he's doing is, I don't know if he's on his TV or on his computer just streaming it live, but all he's doing is he's playing the game and he's posting the content. It's like, it's easy. You're already doing it, so go ahead and make money while doing that. Okay, so let's see how much he's making on socialblade.com. So you go to socialblade.com and you can enter in his YouTube name. Okay, you can really find his name is not Jelly. His name is Jelly YT. So go into socialblade.com and type in Jelly YT, and then you can see his analytics of his video, of his channel. He's a grade A channel. He's ranked 281st based on his subscriber rank. That is huge. And look at his estimated monthly earnings. Now, guys, this is just from him posting on YouTube. His estimated monthly earnings is between $67,000 and $1 million per month, just from posting content on YouTube. You can do the same thing. If you're playing Grand Theft Auto 5 and you have a computer or some kind of YouTube channel that you can create, post your video gameplay on YouTube, rank for a specific keyword with Grand Theft Auto, get views, get subscribers, bam. Next thing you know, you'll be here. Now, granted, he's been doing this looks like for 4 years, which is also great because some people have been doing it for 6, 10 years and don't even have 2,000 subscribers. Okay. But the key here is to, take action, number one, and be consistent with that action. Okay. Post consistently on your YouTube channel and do some research to know what keyword you should be ranking. Okay. And you can be making the $67,000 or $1 million a month just doing what you love, and you can do it whenever you want, where you want, forever, how long you want. And it's just amazing. Look, he's already gotten 16.6 thousand subscribers today. This is a live count. This is amazing. His daily average is 23,000 subscribers. Okay. So guys, you can do the same thing. All you have to do is take action and be consistent. Okay. If you want to learn some different ways on how to make money online, a consistent stream of revenue besides your YouTube ad revenue, check the first link in the description. It'll be my #1 recommendation for making a full-time income. Go ahead and check that out. And don't forget, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment below. Okay, a good comment, and I will enter you into a drawing to receive $100 and I'll do a shout out to your video. Okay. I know I'm still a small channel, but I'm working to grow my channel and grow my subscriber base so I can help people get to where they want and I can get to where I want. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Kalen Bryant out.